we're gonna make our green pasture soap. This has French green clay and lemongrass essential oil. Smells so good. So if you're a person who loves lemongrass, this is a soap for you. It's vegan and plant-based, no animal products, and no harsh chemicals. This soap will be available September 15th, so I'll link the website and my Etsy shop down below if you're interested in getting one. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this soap. I hope you enjoyed the video, the cutting and the making. Oh, okay, still good. This is our green pasture. So it's a nice ooh, I like this. Going all the way down. This is pretty. I learned how to mix my clays very well to get it to have a different color. Well, I guess I can tell you guys the tip. It's just here. Ooh, that's nice. And then I have to mold very soon. I'll mold it tomorrow. And it turned out so vibrant, like a bright orange color. This is okay with the oil first, so that can get the clumps. There's like big clumps of, because you know it's really hard. This is gonna be 2 soaps, so one of them is bigger. I love how I did these little things. I love this. This is my aim. This is like not a perfect one. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you again in my next video. Amahoro.